Hi class, the end of semester is here, and I wanted to remind you that in Module 9, there is an extra credit activity for you. So here I am in Module 9, and I'm going to scroll down. It's a discussion board activity, extra credit, a question about family heritage. So it's a nice way to end the semester. It's an easy assignment and worth some extra points for you. And then the other option is to rewrite one of your essays. And so I put the links here. This is similar to where you uploaded the paper the first time. So you'll see a due date, but just disregard the due date because the system will allow you to submit multiple attempts. And on my end, I can see the date and the time that you uploaded the paper, and that in your file is something new for me to grade. So just go ahead and upload it, and I will review it again based on the grading rubric and look at assigning you a new score. So those are two good options at the end of the semester. I hope all is well on your end. It's been very nice having you as my student, and I wish you all the best. Take care.